Deep inside a beautiful snowy forest lived a wonderful wolf family. They stayed together, cared for each other, and faced every adventure as one team. Every morning, the wolf family traveled together to search for food and explore their home. The oldest and wisest wolves often helped guide the pack. Their experience helped everyone travel safely. The little pups stayed close to their mothers, where they were warm, safe, and protected.
The strong adult wolves stayed alert, making sure no one wandered too far from the family. The alpha wolf carefully searched for signs of food and looked for the safest path for everyone. Instead of hurrying, the wolves stayed calm and worked together, following the trail step by step.
Every wolf had an important job. By cooperating, they could find food much more easily. A wolf family shares with everyone. They make sure every hungry tummy is full.
The little wolves learned new skills every day by watching and listening to the older wolves. The little wolves learned new skills. Suddenly, a powerful snowstorm covered the forest. When it's time to travel, the pack moves as one. Instead of being afraid, they protected one another. Together, they were stronger than the storm. When the storm ended, the wolf family celebrated another safe day together.
Wolves aren't just brave hunters. They also show kindness, friendship, and love to every member of their family. Wasn't the wolf family amazing? There are so many incredible animal adventures waiting discovered. Join us next time to learn another fun story from nature.